Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Tech Conversations. Firstly, if you haven't already, make sure to check out Moomoo. I'll put a link to them in the description below. We'll talk more about their current promotion in a little bit. Also, make sure to check out the Discord, completely free to join. So I'll put a link to the Discord in the description below as well. Now let's get right into today's video. So today I want to talk about one of Moomoo's most powerful features in my opinion, which is their pattern finder or pattern screener feature. This is a great feature for all of us that enjoy using technical analysis to better improve our trading. This is one of many different features that I believe separates Moomoo from other trading platforms. Keep in mind, Moomoo also has a bunch of other powerful features that I really like, such as the options price calculator and the options seller dashboard. Now first, a word from today's sponsor, Moomoo. So if you haven't already, make sure to check out Moomoo. Right now you could earn an 8.1% APY on your uninvested cash by using my link in the description below. Right now you could also earn up to 30 free stocks. As you can see, deposit $100 and earn 5 free stocks. Deposit $2,000, get 25 extra free stocks. So go ahead and check out Moomoo. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Thanks to Moomoo for sponsoring today's video. Now, once you've signed up, you will want to make sure that you download Moomoo's newly developed, redesigned desktop app, Moomoo NX. This version offers customizable multi-monitor layouts with advanced features tailored for investors, including powerful charting and analytical tools. So I'll put a link to this in the description below as well. But you can come up here to this download button, and as you can see here, you can download Moomoo Desktop from here. So now once we've done that, we can get into the pattern screener or pattern finder feature here. So let's go over to Moomoo's desktop app and let's get into this here now. So first of all, where can we find the pattern screener or pattern finder feature here on Moomoo desktop? So what we want to do once we've opened up Moomoo here, we want to go to the markets section. So on the left, you can see there's multiple different sections here. We want to make sure we go to markets here. So we're already on markets. And then next, we want to click on stocks here. So stocks is right here. So we'll go ahead and click on stocks next. Now from here, we want to go ahead and click on pattern finder. So notice below there are multiple different tabs here as well. We want to click on the pattern finder tab. So let's go ahead and click on that tab here next. So this chart pattern screener is going to automatically identify and screen stocks that match predefined candlestick chart patterns. So again, this could be a really great place to start your technical analysis, especially if you enjoy using chart patterns. So if we take a look here, there are 20 chart patterns available, and these chart patterns are divided into two categories here. So we're going to have our bullish chart patterns. There are 10 of them, as you can see here. Then we also have our bearish chart patterns. There are also 10 of them, as you can see here. Now you can also under here click on bullish to just see the bullish chart patterns, or you can click on bearish to just see the bearish chart patterns, or if you want to see all of them, you can stay on the all tab here. Now, let's go ahead and select one of these chart patterns. Let's say we're interested in the bearish flag chart pattern. So where is it? It is right down here. Notice it says bearish flag. It also has an image of what it potentially looks like here. So you can go ahead and click on it here. And so now we're going to see something that looks like this right here. So we're going to get a brief description of the chart pattern here. So let's just read this one here very quickly. So the bearish flag pattern consists of 2 highs and 2 lows. It shows a slight upward price movement after previous falls, indicating that the price is likely to break below the support and continue falling. Now, next to the chart pattern name, there is this help center here. So if you click on this, this will actually give you even more information on the chart pattern here. So this is a really great place to come in here and read more if you want to. But let's go ahead and close out of this. We also have our disclaimer here. So you should always make sure you read the disclaimer thoroughly. And then below that here, we see a list of stocks that Moomoo has screened whose price action matches this particular pattern. So right now we have a list of 3 different stocks here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on one of these. Let's click on the last one here, ticker symbol FLYW or Flywire. So we can go ahead and double click on it, and it's going to open something that looks like this right here. So let's take a look here. Now from here, we can click either on the blue trend line, which we see here. So if we click on it, we're going to see this. Or you can also click on this triangle here. So if we click on it, you're going to see the exact same thing. So this is going to display this little panel that pops up here that has some key details, 2 of which are the probability. So what this is telling us is what is the likelihood of the stock continuing its bullish or bearish trend. It also tells us what type of pattern this is. This is telling me it's a bearish pattern. But it also tells us support and resistance here. So support and resistance price levels here are calculated based on market sentiment and stock performance. So this could be very useful here. And then we can actually see the chart here right in the middle with the chart pattern that we selected, which again for this example is the bearish flag chart pattern. So it beautifully displays the chart pattern there for us. Again, a potential great place to start when doing some technical analysis. Also notice that at the far left here, we can also see the other stocks that are showing the same chart pattern, the same bearish flag chart pattern. So you can click on them here and also display the bearish flag for these other stocks here. So as you can see, very useful feature for those of you that enjoy using technical analysis. Now I want to quickly point out Moomoo's low fees. So on Moomoo, you'll find 0 commission fees on stocks, ETFs, and options. And so for those of you exploring options trading, this provides a cost-efficient way to engage with the market. You can also see some of their other fees for different categories and compare them to other brokerages here. In addition as well to their current promotion, they also currently have a transfer bonus promotion where you can earn a 3% match on portfolio transfers up to $600 max right now. I also want to share this welcome bonus for all new users in Canada. Right now, you can receive up to $3,300 in rewards when you sign up and deposit. You can also transfer and get up to $2,300 in rewards. So go ahead and check out Moomoo. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Check out the Discord, link to that in the description below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think. I will see you guys next time.